The final factor that you should consider when you're opening a preschool is the regulatory requirements of opening a preschool. Since education is a state matter, all regulatory affairs related to your state will be specific to your state only. So depending upon which state you're located in, you may need to open your preschool, maybe a fire NOC for the building that you're planning to open a preschool in. You may need a structural stability certificate to prove that the structure is stable and safe to do preschool operations in. You may need to go and register yourself with the local education department, or you may need to seek some kind of a basic permission to start a preschool. In all of these, it's important to make sure that everything is done as per the local laws and regulations, so that you're fully compliant with the laws of the land. And in all of these regulatory affairs, we can definitely help you in terms of identifying to you what are the regulatory norms that you need to fulfill in your specific location, and we can even help you in terms of getting these regulatory norms fulfilled. Over and above that, there may be requirements in terms of the qualifications of the staff that you take on board. And again, there we can help you with various early childhood education courses, certifications, and training that we will give to your teachers, so that they are all fully trained and are capable of giving a high quality experience to the parents who put their children into your school. So that's as far as the regulatory piece is concerned. Let's talk a little bit about how the preschool sector has evolved over the years. If you look at how the preschool sector has evolved over the years, it started many years back with the auntie next door setting up a preschool inside her house, and all the neighbors sending their little toddlers to this lady who they knew personally, and she would conduct classes. She would give maybe slates and chalk to the children and make them write alphabets and letters, and maybe do some fun activities with the kids. So this was probably the genesis of the preschool industry in India. With the entry of brands like Eurokids, the organized preschool industry has been growing very, very rapidly over the past few years, much faster than the local mom and pop preschools and the auntie next door preschools. And the reason for that is very simple. What is it that you get when you work with an organized preschool chain like Eurokids? Firstly, you get very strong processes, you get strong safety and security protocols, you get very high quality teacher training, you get an extremely high quality curriculum which has been through many improvements. You get help in marketing, you get help from a training perspective, you get help from almost each and every aspect of the preschool operations is area that the brand can help you. And what that allows you to do is to ramp up your business very, very rapidly as compared to being able to do this on your own. Which is why over the years we've seen a very significant growth in the organized preschool space, and not so much of a growth in the unorganized preschool space. So I think when you look at a brand like Eurokids, we have a very large curriculum team which has years and years of experience in terms of designing high quality curriculum. We have a large team of academic operations managers spread out across the country, whose job it is to work very closely with you, hand in hand with you, to train your teachers, to give feedback on academic execution. We have teams of business managers spread out across the country who will work very closely with you to grow your admissions and to make sure that you are financially viable. And all of this put together, gives you the ability to ramp up your preschool very rapidly and enjoy the fruits of your labor and your investment.